Finally made it to JoAnn's. Looking at their stuff because everyone's saying their prices are crazy. $40 for that? Never. In 1 million years. $35 for that? No, thank you. Wow, that's crazy.
They don't have what I wanted.
Yeah, the prices are like, look, $30 for that.
So this is what they do. They're $30. They're gonna charge you the sale price is what they would normally charge. So that's
Look,
why it's never really on sale.
$100 for a skeleton? Yeah.
And that's real cheap.
Yeah. Crazy. 40% off makes it still more than normal price. Oh, this is actually kind of neat though, how it's orange. I like this guy. No button. Whoa, Jesus, that's loud. Whoa. That's cool. I like that. Oh. Ooh, that's crazy. I like this little black house. That's pretty cool. I'm a hunt. Hey, Bubby, I'm a hunt mess. 14. Okay, Julie's beckoning me. Oh no.
We're guessing.
Oh, 89. $130.
No, I bought recently that really big one.
How much was that one at Home Goods?
$30
at Home Goods.
Taller than this.
Taller than this one,
but
yes.
Skinnier.
Skinnier for
And
$30.
it-
What are they doing here? Oh, look at this as a strobe.
No, that's kind of cool.
That's kind of neat, but not 3 times as much worth. More than 3 times as much. 4 times as
3
much.
to 4.
Whew, jeez Louise. JoAnn's.
Yeah, they're a little off.
We're just gonna look at stuff here, JoAnn's.
Well, the thing I was thinking about.
This is kind of cool too.
You see, it's crushed velvet.
Yeah, those are kind of neat.
It's orange one, baby.
It's like a fun little vintagey look to it. I like this guy. That'd be fun. I wouldn't mind having one of those. $60. How much is this?
$60.
50. 50. I mean, and I like the stuff too, but it's just, it's cool. I like that. This is 45. See, I like this too. The bats are kind of not what I would normally like, but I just kind of like it. It's kind of cool. I'd turn back if I were you. It's like this. $30 for that one bat.
Does it
Look at this.
light up or anything?
That's kind of, oh, that's kind of neat how it has this kind of etched in the back. That's actually kind of neat. See, this would be cool for the business because you can see it even if it's in there from the side.
Yeah.
But it's a coffin, so if you had stuff in there, it's kind of neat. Okay, people, how much do you guys think this is? Let's guess. You're thinking $100? Drum roll, please. It's 80, $79.99. So with a coupon, or is it all, everything's 40% off, or?
That's what it said on the side. Don't break it. They don't even have a. It'd be like 40 or something.
And then all these boxes. I like, these are kind of cool, all these boxes. Oh, they got, the next aisle is full of Halloween too. They've got some little cauldrons here if you're looking for some smaller cauldrons. This is kind of cool. Plastic, nice plastic, durable skull there. Those are huge. We got a bunch of those. Oh, so we got some up stock, and then all the napkins. Oh man. 59?
Well, $39.
$39. So that's better than what I thought. Happy spooky season. Is this a cookie jar? Yes, a cookie jar here too.
Oh, I missed it.
That one's
haunted house, but he's more detailed.
That one's kind of cool.
Yeah.
This pumpkin is cute with a cat on it.
$10.
And then look, it's got a cat on it.
But I don't like the face.
Look at this. Kind of like that. It's kind of neat.
Yeah. I'm a little disappointed in their prices.
JoAnn's, y'all too rich for me. This little ghost is cute. $40. This would be cute to actually put like the cat's like drinks in. Put their water bowl. It's $40.
Oh my god.
I know. Look at this one. No? You don't like that one so much? We got all kinds of little wood carvings here. Whoa. Oh, that's kind of neat. So they got, looks like they're gonna have a lot more stuff here. These big pumpkins are kind of nice. Oh man, babe, what do you think this is? You have one like this, right? Bigger than this.
Bigger than that?
All right, I know the price. Let's. Used. So what do you think this? What do you think this is? I just looked at the price.
Okay. Like.
You guys guess.
$79.
$100. $99.99. That is insanity. Insanity, I tell you. Insanity. Like, I could make this and I'd probably sell this for like $20.
How much do you have?
40.
Yeah. So really, everything you need to like.
Yeah. This is kind of neat. I like the look on that. It's sinister. $25. Little moon here. Little moon that lights up. Evil eye. They got lots of evil fabrics going on over here. And ribbons. And this is fall stuff. So that's kind of all the Halloween. So there's you a glimpse. I know other people have probably already put JoAnn's videos out there. I know my buddy Spooky Later's already posted one a while back. But ours is actually kind of slow at getting everything put out. So hope you enjoyed. Get your haunt on. Alright, so we're at Ross real quick, you know, after we just left JoAnn's. This pumpkin is like another half size bigger than that one that I showed you that was $100. This one even has an evil face and it's way better. And it is a whopping $34.99 for a much bigger pumpkin. And they have these amazing soup bowls with a lid. Totally getting one.
They're oven. You can put them in the oven.
What? Man, I might
Not the lid.
get the other one. How much are these tiny pumpkins? These got to be really good price then, and they light up. Dude, $6.99. That's actually $6.99 at Ross. That's really good. And the face is not cheesy, honestly.